And that's our toad in the hole. Right, we're making toad in the hole this evening. We're going to be doing it differently. We're not going to be using plain flour. We're going to be using what?
Corn flour.
Corn flour. The reason we're using corn flour is her mum, my wife, is
Gluten intolerant.
That's correct. So we can't use plain flour. Another challenge we've got, she is also lactose intolerant. So we've had to use lactose-free milk. Right, the difference between using plain flour and corn flour, with the plain flour you have to let the batter rest. 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or preferably overnight would be better. But we're using corn flour, you don't have to let it rest because there's no gluten in it. It's an old recipe I found ages ago because she's making it through my guidance, not me. So we'll see.
If it works with me, but it works with them.
And the next thing we're going to be using is good quality sausages with a high content of meat because that will bring the flavour out. So we're going to be frying these off first. You don't want to be finding those sausages that are at the back of the freezer that are white, freezer burnt, cheap sausages. You don't want to be using them, no flavour, they'll be rubbish. That's what you need for a good
Yorkshire pudding. Why did I say Yorkshire pudding? Toad in the hole.
It's toad in the hole, Leigh, correct. God help me. So the first thing we're going to do is cook the sausages. Get them cooking in the frying pan to get a bit of colour on, but we're not going to be cooking them all the way through. So under my guidance, Leigh is going to be making the batter mix. So she's got how much?
200 grams of corn flour.
Right, stick in the bowl. Now what are you going to add?
The 6 eggs.
Right, add your 6 eggs then. There we go.
Hopefully not without losing the shell. No, I can't.
Must be a boiled egg. Easiest way is crack an egg that way. Hit it flat on a flat surface, not on the side of a dish. No eggshell going in.
Nope.
Get the eggs in, and you want to give it a good mix, and you want to beat all the lumps out of it. Next, you add the milk gradually, whisking in between time. And put the rest in, just dump it in. Right, now as I said, you don't have to cook all the sausages all the way through, it's just to get a bit of colour on them. It will render some of the fat out. Do not throw this fat away. It will do for the onion gravy, so naughty, don't throw it away. Right, that's the batter mix made. Right, she's put some of the beef dripping in. We want a good bit of beef dripping. She's going to stick that into the oven for about 10 minutes, 200 centigrade. Or 400 Fahrenheit. Now get the casserole dish out. This is a bit you've got to be quick.
If you have the right thing to get it out with.
Can you manage? All right, stick it there. Right, put the sausages in. She's going to pour the batter in slowly. Don't do it too fast because it'll pour it all over. So that now goes into the oven, 200 centigrade, 400 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. But the best way to do this is also keep your eye on it. And the next golden rule is you do not open the door to have a peek. Now we just leave it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hopefully that will go nice. Right, that's after 14 minutes. You can see it start to rise lovely. This is going to be for our tea tonight. So Leigh is making the gravy, onion gravy, broccoli and green beans and new potatoes. That's what we're having tonight. Yummy. Right, she's going to get this out of the oven now and we'll see what it's like when it comes out.
If I can get it out. Oh, come here.
Don't drop it, whatever you do.
Work with me.
Hurry up, quick, put it down. Done. And that's our toad in the hole. You see it's risen nice and crispy. You can hear that. You can see that. You can't eat it, I can. Now that's my tea tonight. I don't know what they're having. But we're going to plate this up now.
Yeah. toad in the hole with tender broccoli, green beans and sprouts, boiled sprouts.
So we've got sprouts. This is how it's come out. This is a real bad boy. This is how it should be. So that's our tea. So what we're doing now, Leigh?
We're going to happily munch on this. If you want to see more of our food adventures, hit the like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more meals like this.
And also you'll get the recipe that will be on the right hand side if you want to give it a try.
For now, it's bye from me.
Bye bye.